In this video, I'll show you some best settings on NVIDIA Control Panel for gaming to boost FPS. Right-click on the desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. Select Adjust Image Settings with Preview. Check Use the Advanced 3D Image Settings and click Apply. On Image Scaling, turn on and choose a Sharpening Percentage and check Overlay Indicator. Ambient Occlusion, select Performance. Anisotropic Filtering, select Application Controlled. Anti-aliasing FXAA, select Off. Anti-aliasing Gamma Correction, select On. Anti-aliasing Mode, select Application Controlled. And Anti-aliasing Transparency, select Off. Background Application Max Frame Rate, select Off. CUDA GPUs, select Off. DSR Factors, enable if you want to use higher resolution than your monitor supports. Low Latency Mode, select Ultra. Max Frame Rates set individually in each game through Program Settings. OpenGL Rendering GPU, select Graphics Card. Optimize for Compute Performance, select On. Power Management Mode, select Prefer Maximum Performance. And Shader Cache Size, select Driver Default. On the text filtering, just select On, then Allow, select High Performance, and then select On. Threaded Optimization, select Auto. Triple Buffering, select On if using VSync. And Vertical Sync, select Use the 3D Application setting. Virtual Reality Pre-Render Frames, select 1. Finally, all you have to do is to configure Surround PhysX. In the Processor drop-down, select your graphics card and then click on Apply when you select Configure Surround PhysX. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.